Guys, let us learn about a poem called Neat Little Clock. There is a neat little clock. In the school room it stands, and it points to the time with its two little ants. And maybe, like the clock, keep a face clean and bright, with ants ever ready to do what is right. Yeah, so it is saying that there is a clock, it will be having two hands. And with that, we can see time, right? Yeah. Now, let us know about Foolish Frog one story. So there was a baby frog. Once it saw an ox grazing in the field. So it was surprised to see such a big animal. So it said, "What a huge god little creature this is," he murmured. And he ran to his father and said excitedly, "Papa, Papa, I have seen a big animal. It is huge. And I've never seen such a big animal." This big frog was not happy to hear this. He breathed deep and swelled his body. "Was that animal this big?" said the big frog. Then the small frog said, "No, it was bigger." Then once again it took a bigger breath and stretched its skin. "Now am I bigger than that fellow?" "No, Papa, he was much bigger." This time this big frog became too angry. He breathed deeper, still and deeper. Finally, he burst and died. Such a foolish frog, right? Yeah.